Whoa. They got a nacho machine. Nacho machine.
It's not show machine. It's not yours.
They got a popcorn machine.
I got
Snow cones. Wow. Morning.
Good morning.
$50. $300 bin with 6 pieces. Wow. That's some expensive stuff. These are cool. Placemats for $1. Once upon a monster.
Oh, let's move this coffee back here.
Oh, those are fun. Squishmallow headphones.
It's like,
That's cool.
wait, I can use it.
Oh, look at these hula hoops. They're like hardcore. Paper dolls. How much are your hula hoops?
This has 20.
15 or 2 for 25?
Okay.
So will you do 20 per month?
Yeah, we'll do 20 for both.
Rough row, bye bye.
Hello.
How much is your lot?
$2.
Would you cut me a deal if I bought all your Ray done?
I'm gonna have to. I've already had like 3 people to want to buy it all.
What was the best offer?
I'm not doing offers on it.
Gotcha. You're only selling individual?
Yeah.
And so is it, how much is, oh, I see you got prices and everything. Stamps. Those are fun. What grade did you teach?
I am currently teaching 2nd grade.
2nd grade, that's fun.
If you
Oh, is it locked?
I'll just stay.
She teaches 2nd grade, so if you want to learn anything.
I think right now we're all playing catch up.
Yeah, that is, my friend's a teacher and he says it's like the students skipped last year, basically.
I agree.
He said it's like, he does 9th and he's like, I'm teaching 8th graders.
I am teaching literally end of kindergarten, beginning of 1st grade, because some of my kids were in kindergarten when the pandemic hit.
Yep.
And they've been virtual ever since.
Yeah, that's my daughter. She's in 2nd now, but she was in kindergarten when it started. So.
And it's tough for those little people.
Had a completely different
How much
learning
was
style.
one?
Give you that one.
Okay.
And the reason is because it's actually
Chipped, okay. 3, 6. So 11. Okay.
Yeah, when every teacher has their own style and then the kids are exposed to so many, it's almost like starting over sometimes
Yeah.
in a way. But I mean, I hope you're on the right track now.
Yeah.
Well, now we've got them in homeschool, actually. Yeah, we
Then we
moved them
had
to
a
homeschool.
lot of parents that just went that route.
It's
and
just
honestly,
too crazy,
I
like,
was gonna say,
yeah.
I can't say that I kind of blame you on that.
Yeah.
Because
The
you
other
can-
two we still have in, but for him, it's just been too crazy. Underwear. $15. Some expensive underwear. Most expensive thing at the sale is the underpants.
And
Look at this candy dish, $6 with lollipops. That's not bad. You like candy and lollipops? Venus bath bomb. You're buying it.
yes.
$10.
Oh, tabii.
Guard line. They did a lot of work. Crunch bar.
Yeah, here, put them in this.
Pixma. 165. What a deal.
Metroid. Meteoroid.
We should go find other sales. Alright, buy that first and then we'll go. I think, were you the one selling?
Yeah, we both are.
He was wanting to get some stuff.
10 for both. This is
You lured him in with the candy.
I like your style. How old are you?
13.
Good for you. I like your negotiating.
$2 for the Dremel kit too. You can have all the
Oil, filters, that fun stuff. Didn't you buy an Arctic Air? Sorry.
Oh, the scooter. Sure.
That's cool.
That's only
Yeah, how much are you selling this one?
Oh, are you selling it? You trying to save up money? What are you trying to buy? You don't know? You're trying to save up some money? And this is all your stuff? Oh boy, I gotta buy something. Let me see.
find the turkey.
This is cute. How much is this? A quarter. Okay. And how about this little Beauty and the Beast book?
The turkey. Everything here is
One quarter. I'm gonna give you $2. How about?
Wow.
Okay.
Right. Look at the smile on her face.
There you go. Okay. You guys have good luck at your sale. All right.
All right.
All right. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Golf clubs. Gotta look at the golf clubs. Wilson. Not good.
$3.
And
There you go.
will you throw,
What do we got here? We got a whole little camera.
throw that in with it?
That's fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Look at this light. That's cool. Oh, DVDs. The A-Team. Planet of the Apes, the Legacy Collection. I want these for my collection. These are all for me.
No, 2 apiece, I think.
Yeah, $6 for 3.
Star Wars, Clone Wars. That'll have some value.
Good thing I'm not in jail.
Look at this. That's cool.
Y'all have a good day now.
Some cool stuff in here. Secret of the Ooze.
These clothes are nice.
Is this all one person sale or is it?
No, we had parents at our school donating stuff.
Okay.
And
Okay.
but then throughout the whole neighborhood they.
But this all gets priced by one person?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
He's in the red hat.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Go. Bleep yourself. Monk. Sherlock Gremlins. Oh, that's a classic. Oh, that's cool. What is that?
No, some sort of wrestling thing.
Blitz Brawler. This is all, oh, sorry.
I think it was me. I don't really know.
Turtles in Time. Ugh. Whoa.
These shirts and
How's it going?
Good, give me 1 second.
Okay, no problem.
I'll lose count. Give me 1 second.
No, yeah, I got you. Hey, how's it going?
Good.
I've got a little stack here going. I'm not sure what you're thinking on it.
20 bucks for everything.
20 for everything, huh?
Yep.
Okay. How much you got on the cards over there?
I'd take 25 for the whole table.
All right, I'll do that too.
Okay.
So that's 45?
Yep. You need a bottom? Still got a bottom.
Yeah, if you got one, that'd be good. 20, 30, 5, and I owe you 10 more. 45. Okay. Yeah, if you got a box, that'd be perfect.
Here, I got a box here.
You got one? Okay.
$20, $25. A lot of magic cards.
Box you got in that room.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. You like it?
Loading it up.
Oh.
Make it work.
I think so. I'll put these ones with that other stuff I've got. Oh, I'll be right back. Holy hernia. Whew.
I put it all in a box.
Oh, perfect. Thank
You
you.
got one over there now.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay. Let's see what they have over here. Haven't looked yet. Oh my gosh, there's more stuff I want. Look at that. What is that? That's cool. It's another smasher. I got a couple more things. Just a couple action figures, a little plush.
$5.
$5, okay.
I think he's a jerk.
All right, my friend.
There you go.
Good luck with it.
Yep, thank you.
I think
Wow, talk about a slow start that then turns into an epic haul. I mean, some of those first sales were only on the okay side, but that last sale that was in front of the school had so many good items, and I really wish I had just bought more. I left, you know, pretty quick because I had other sales to go to, but the action figures I got were super valuable, and then I got a bunch of really DVD collections, not to mention the giant table of Magic the Gathering and Yu-Gi-Oh cards that I don't even know where to start. There's so many of them. It's crazy. How would you guys sell those? I mean, I have to figure out what to do, but I can't believe it was only 25 bucks for that whole table worth. They're only going to get more valuable sitting here, so I guess I'm not in a rush, but comment down below. How would you sell those? Would you do them individually, or you do big bulk lots as an auction? Make sure you check out this video next, where I found a vintage hat worth over $100. You gotta see this.